Can you hold it?
Whoa, you're right. Look at that sucker.
Let it go.
Oh, we gotta do this in the pool at the farm.
Yeah.
Definitely.
They call it like a
Let it go, let it go, let it go.
putt boat. That.
Yeah.
Okay. We're videotaping.
What? Patrick, stop that.
What?
Look, you can see the plume of hot water coming out.
Get RC. Put RC components in it.
Yeah, you just need a rudder.
Yeah.
Just one.
You can probably buy all that from that Hobby Lobby place we went to get the airplane parts.
Mm.
Let it go by itself.
Oh, candle in that.
Yeah, just about. That was awesome, Pat.